This is the story of how Africa's largest bank is using intelligent automation to digitize. With $164 billion in assets, Standard Bank South Africa has powered the continent's growth for over 150 years, serving more than 10 million customers in 20 countries through 100,000 employees, 1,200 branches, nearly 10,000 ATMs, and a best-in-class mobile platform. You'll hear from some of the bank's operations and IT leaders how Standard Bank is leveraging WorkFusion's intelligent automation software to improve customer experience, reduce operational cost, and power exponential growth.
The problem that we're trying to solve in Standard Bank is really around the customer. Customers have changed fundamentally over the last few years with the introduction of digitization. Everything's got to be digital, which means it's got to be 24/7, frictionless, and they want it right first time, every time.
Standard Bank is an old bank, 150 plus years old, so we have some very old systems, but one of the things that we found over the years is that the cost of integration of these systems is high.
We've got to manage our costs better. Post-2008 with the meltdown, the regulatory burden on banks is enormous, and if we don't use these kind of technology, that's just going to reduce ROEs and cost pressures beyond what's bearable.
And the problem that we faced, we couldn't necessarily solve with normal integration patterns, and we were basically solving it via workflow.
So we have a lot of people that are doing very boring, mundane, copy-paste tasks in our organization.
We followed a process of selecting products, and we were lucky enough to come across WorkFusion that provided the cognitive, in other words, the machine learning, which we apply in exception processing together with RPA.
We looked at OpenSpan, we looked at UiPath, Blue Prism, and Automation Anywhere. And when we racked it up against the others, overall it came out as the most complete one-stop shop package.
For us, it was a natural fit in order to deal with the challenges that present themselves in Standard Bank and in its financial services generally.
What we were really looking for was a model that could really grow with us. If you're going to look at the product for a group-wide organization such as Standard Bank that spans Africa, we really can't be dealing in licensing per bot.
Enterprise play, one platform. I didn't want multiple products. I certainly wanted the software to do big things as well as small things, because those two things are required in back-end operations every single day.
And we like the fact with WorkFusion specifically that it looked like the package had been developed with the end in mind.
It doesn't help if you download the software and they say, well, good luck. You need somebody to work with you to build the capability internally.
We got sent out some really, really top-class resources who really knew their stuff. I mean, there were no questions that they couldn't answer.
Our internal IT doing third-party integration on one problem had been battling for 18 months. The WorkFusion guys came in and solved the problem in 3 days.
It was really phenomenal. They understood exactly what needed to be done, and they knew just how the stuff worked.
The benefits at a global scale for this kind of technology is absolutely tremendous. What we're expecting from a customer point of view is we will take the process from 23 days, yes, believe it or not, to open an account with an overdraft. It takes 23 days, down to under 5 minutes. That means I can do it while the customer is online and interacting with Standard Bank.
The benefits for the bank, I think, are vast and pretty diverse. It's going to help banking keep up to date with other industries that are trying to disintermediate.
I truly believe that WorkFusion has got so much potential within Standard Bank, and the reason why is we've only touched the operational back office area in terms of where we can actually apply automation, where you can really add value.
For me, it is transformational. It is around customer. It is around slick process. It is around fewer mistakes. It is about taking mundane work and turning it into interesting work. All in all, I think it is a bundle that certainly can change the nature of financial services today.